Hi, good morning children. Today we are going to continue with the revision worksheet. So, now we are going to learn comparing numbers. How do you compare a number? Put the correct sign. What sign is this? Less than, equal to sign and greater than. And if it seems to be like L, it's less than L. Okay, this is less than. This is equal to, obviously the other one will be greater than. I will give you a technique how to put the correct sign. 215 and 251. We have two numbers here. Which one is greater? I'll give you a clue like a crocodile will come and eat the greater number. So, crocodile will open the mouth and eat the greater number. How do you open the mouth? This way. So, 215 less than 251. Got it? Now, which is greater in second question? 427 and 407. 427 is a greater number. So, how will you put the sign? Crocodile will open the mouth and eat the greater number. Now, how will you read in mathematical way? 427 greater than 407. Got it? Third question, 105 and 110. Which one is greater? 105 or 110? 110 is greater. So, how will you put the correct sign? Crocodile will open the mouth and eat the greater number. So, how will you read out? 105 less than 110. Got it? Now, let's move on to the next one. Further questions you have to do it yourself. Encircle the odd number and tick the even number. Encircle the odd numbers means you have to circle the odd number and you have to put a tick over even number. Do you want to check for each and every number? No need for that. You have to seek for the last digit number, last digit of each number, that is ones place. What is odd number? Odd numbers are that are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The numbers which end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And even numbers are numbers which have 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now, one more number is there and 0. I will write over there. Got it? So, numbers which end up with odd numbers are numbers which end up with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, you have to look for the numbers in ones place. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, 0 have to come first. Like that. So, now let's check out which are even number and which are odd numbers. First, we will circle the odd numbers. Your 5. Look for the numbers in ones place. Okay. 5 is an odd number, right? So, what do you have to do? You have to circle it. Got it? Whole number you have to circle it. That number 15 is an odd number. You don't have to check up with each number. 307, which is the last number in ones place? 7. 7 is an odd number. So, you have to encircle the whole 307. 218. In ones place we have 8. So it's what number is that? It's even number. So you will put a tick sign. 519. Look for the ones number in ones place. It's 9. It's odd number. You have to circle it. 326. Number in ones place is 6. It's even number. Tick. 103. In ones place we have 3. So it's odd number. So you have to circle it. 847. 7 is odd number. So you will circle it. 510. Last digit is 0. It's even number. You will put a tick sign. 648. Last digit in ones place is 8. 8 is an even number, so you will put tick sign. 913, the number in ones place is 3, so it's odd number, so you will circle it. 200, the last digit is 0, so it's even number, so you will put a tick sign. 949, 9 is an odd number, so you will encircle it. Got it? This is how you find out the odd number and even number. Now the next topic is that ascending order. How do you write in ascending order? From small to bigger number. How do you write in ascending order? You will arrange the number. Certain numbers are being given. It's been mixed up and given. So now what you have to do is that you have to arrange all numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange these numbers from small to big in order. So let's see which is a smaller number first. This is the smaller 114. So you will write 114 is the smallest. Now we are coming like smaller to bigger. So you will find out which is much more bigger than 114. Which is greater than 114 right now over here. We will strike off the numbers. What do you have written? Now we will seek through it, which is the number 513. 513. So now you will strike off this. So you won't get confused. Don't scribble it, just a small strike is enough, or you can number it according to the arrangement. Now next number greater than 513 is, you have to find out that 630. So you will write 630. Now next number is that, which is much more greater than 630. It's 701. So you write 701. Now next bigger than 701, 710. Now after 710, which is much bigger than 710, next to it 890. So we'll write 890. Now you have two numbers again, which is greater, 891, and then you have the greatest number is 930. Got it? This is how you arrange in ascending order. First you have to find which is a smaller number, then a bit more greater than, and you will reach the greatest number. That is from small to big you arrange. Got it? Next one is arrange the following in descending order. How do you arrange this number in descending order? Let's see. Certain numbers are being given like this, and you have to arrange in descending. Descending order means from big to small. You are decreasing. The order is, the numbers are decreasing in order. So let's find out, that is from big to small. So you have to find out which is the biggest number here. 990. So I am writing here 990. Now bit more smaller than 990, 837. Bit more smaller than 837, 743. Now bit more smaller than 743 is 690. Bit more smaller than 619 is 402. Bit more smaller than 402 is 388. Bit more smaller, 298. And then smallest one, 106. You have arranged from big to small. Understood? Now let's learn. This is worksheet page number 9. Page number 9, 8 you have to do it yourself. Now I have taken worksheet page number 9 means that these have ones, tens and hundreds place. So I have done it with a greater number. In worksheet page number 8 it's smaller digits, just ones place and tens place. So you can do it yourself. So I have done it which is quite difficult for you. So worksheet page number 8 has to be done by yourself. Got it? Now let's see. Expanded form is given. 3 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. How will you write the number? In hundreds place we have 3, tens place we have 0, in ones place we have 0. So you have written the number 300. How will you write in number name? 300. Whenever you are writing the number name, it should start with capital letter. 300 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. What number is there in hundreds place? 3. In tens place? 9. And in ones place? 9. So what number is that? 399. How will you write in number name? 399. 399. 400 plus 0 tens plus 1 ones. How will you write? In hundreds place we have the number 4, in tens place we have the number 0, and in ones place we have the number 1. 401. How will you write this number? 401. Got it? 400 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. How will you write? In hundreds place we have the number 4, in tens place we have the number 9, and ones place we have the number 9. And how will you write the number name? 499. Got it? 99. 500 plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. How will you write this? 5 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and 0 in ones place. 500. How will you write? 500. Got it? 500 plus 0, 9 tens plus 9 ones. How will you write the number? 5 in hundreds place, 9 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. So how will you write? 599. Got it? Further questions you have to do it yourself. Now let's move on to worksheet page number 10. Write the expanded form of the following numeral. Numeral means the number given over there. So how will you write the expanded form? Like this you have to write. This is the number given, you have to write like this, expanded form. Same way, the number is given 99. How will you write in expanded form? 9 is in ones place and other 9 is in tens place. 9 tens plus 9 ones. Here we have 3 numbers, ones, tens and hundreds. So in hundreds place it's 1. 100 plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. Got it? Next number is 83. How will you write in expanded form? Here we have only 2-digit number. 3 is in ones place and 8 is in tens place. So you will write 8 tens plus 3 ones. 101. We have 3-digit number, ones, tens and 100. In hundreds place we have the number 1. 100 plus 0 tens plus 1 ones. Got it? 232. How will you write? 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, and another 2 is in hundreds place. So 200 plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. Got it? So there are certain questions you have to do it yourself. Let's move on to worksheet page number 11. Fill in the blanks. In 78, 8 is in dash place. 8 is in dash place. 8 is in ones place. And 7 is in dash place. 7 is in tens place. In 160, 0 is in the dash place. That is, 0 is in which place? Ones place. And 1 is in dash place. 1 is in hundreds place. 1 is in hundreds place. Got it? 2 more questions are there. You have to do it yourself. Now, write in figures. 469. How will you write in figure? Figure means in number form. In hundreds place we have the number 4. So you will write 4 and tens and ones place 69. So 469. Got it? This is how you write in figure. 609. How will you write in number form? 6. Do you have any number in tens place? No. So you will put 0. And in ones place we have the number 9. Then 700. You have only number in hundreds place, that is 7. Do you have any number in tens and ones place? No. So you will put 0. Got it? Now let's move on to worksheet page number 12. We are going to recollect what we have learned today. Points are even numbers. Even numbers are numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place. If you are checking whether it's even or odd, you have to check with the number in ones place. So if it's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, it's even number. And odd number, numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place. If in ones place, if the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then it's odd number. Ascending order means you are writing from arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger number. And descending means it's decreasing order you are arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller number. Successor means a number after and predecessor means before, number before. That's all for the class today. Have a nice day. Thank you.